We begin this evening with a developing story. The Police High Command and the United States Embassy are investigating a suspected international human smuggling ring operating in the island following the discovery of 2 stolen United States passports. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
The probe was launched last week after 2 Albanian nationals were arrested at the Norman Manley International Airport in possession of 2 stolen United States passports. The 2 Albanian students, 25-year-old Limos Selimi and 21-year-old Arjana Horte, traveling in false names Mark Johnson and Isabella Gutierrez, were nabbed as they prepared to board a flight to Canada. Officers at the Norman Manley International Airport detected discrepancies in the passports as the photos of the legal owners were removed and replaced. The 2 were fined $200,000 were served 6 months in prison after pleading guilty to uttering forged documents and forgery when they appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday. It was revealed in court that the 2 Albanian students arrived in Jamaica on legitimate Albanian passports last month and were allowed to stay in the country until May. Investigations also revealed that they paid $15,000 for the U.S. passports, which were stolen in the U.S. and ended up in Jamaica. It's understood that U.S. law enforcement has taken an interest in the case and have been trying to determine whether an international human smuggling ring is operating in Jamaica. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.